When you start pricing replacement windows in Landgrove, Vermont, the numbers you hear can feel all over the map. Some quotes seem too good to be true. Others sound sky high with no clear explanation. So where should you start? Every project begins with the basics. How many windows are you replacing, and what shape are they in? Swapping a few easy-to-reach units on a newer home is much different from removing old, leaky frames. The more rot, water damage, or structural issues we uncover, the more time and materials it takes to fix the problem. Next is the type of window you choose. A simple vinyl double hung costs less than a large custom picture window or a specialty frame. Energy-efficient upgrades like triple pane glass, low E coatings, and gas fills add cost up front. But during New England's long heating season, these options can lower your utility bill and make cold winter nights a lot more comfortable. Then we look at installation quality, which is where cheap jobs usually fall apart. A true Bennington County, Vermont window replacement service doesn't just slide a new frame into an old, drafty opening. We check the sill, insulation, flashing, and air sealing. Then we install each unit according to the manufacturer's specs. You get the full performance and protect your warranty. Finally, there's the value of working with a contractor that's been doing this for decades. At Jancewicz Son, we've been improving New England homes since 1933. Our experience lets us give you straight answers, a clear proposal, and a smooth process from beginning to end. If you're thinking about window replacement and want honest guidance, not sales pressure, reach out to Jancewicz Son. We'll inspect your home, explain your options, and give you a detailed, written estimate so you understand exactly what you're paying for and why.